Goldberg here at Goldberg's Ranch, and this is Mark from Ruff Tuff. How you doing, my friend?
Doing well, thank you.
You guys installed the seat covers originally. You came out and you did a little touch-up here.
Yeah.
Take me through what's going on inside the challenge.
So, Bill, you have some aftermarket seats in here. So what we did is we came in and we hand measured these seats. And you can see here we used your Arctikon camo as the trim fabric. We got a black carbon fiber as your insert, which we diamond quilted. So it turned out really nice. One of the things that we did also on this round is we did a hard console lid cover for you.
Yep.
So it kind of finishes, it flows right through to the other side.
That's awesome.
So it turned out looking really well.
Now, obviously, it looks good. But tell us a little bit about the characteristics of the material as far as, its functionality is concerned.
Gotcha. So this material right here on your trim, this Arctikon camo, is made out of a poly nylon material. So it holds up really well to rubbing in and out as you get out of your seat. All of our seat covers are lined with a ½ inch of foam behind it. So it holds the integrity of that seat cover together. It holds up to the abuse of sliding in and out. It's got a scrim backing so that foam's not going to wear out on you. And so these seat covers will last you for a long time.
Rock and roll, man. Well, they're beautiful, and now that I know they function as if I ever would have questioned that, man, I'm gonna put them to darn good use.
We want you to.
I can tell you. Now, how about liquid? Is it are they water resistant to a degree?
Absolutely. So they're water resistant. So if you spill something on there, go ahead and just take a rag and just wipe it right up.
Because I drink my Ready milkshakes like 4 or 5 times a day, man. I got to make sure. Nice, nice. What part of your business is pure custom stuff?
So everything that we do is custom. So the customer gets to choose their fabrics, the trim fabric, the insert fabric. If they want to do a pistol pocket on the front, if they want to do diamond quilt in the insert,
nice.
The customer completely gets to choose everything that they want. We'll make it for them and we'll send it. So everything that we make is custom made for the year, make, and model.
Beautiful.
So it's not like it's a universal fit thing.
Gotcha.
You give us the year, make, model. We hand measure it, make sure it fits precisely for that model. You get to pick.
And as far as like the diamond fabric in the middle, I mean that's an additional thing. You could get the whole thing wrapped in the Arctikon if you wanted to, but that's a cool little detail.
Absolutely, yeah. You could do it straight Arctikon, or you could break it up with a different color insert.
Beautiful. Well, I appreciate what you guys have done, man. You're the only thing that supersedes your quality is your customer service. So, Mark, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye, Ruff Tuff, or I'll kill you.